Yeah, you're welcome to this tutorial. We do talk about how to analyze stock market every week. This is to help the beginners who just started learning stock. Like I used to say, you don't just put your money into your wallet and start buying stocks. It doesn't work like that. You must be able to analyze market, what the current share is doing, what the price is saying. You need to know that before you buy your first share. And today I'm going to show you how to buy your first share, and the app we'll be using is Every Investor. This is a very popular app for buying shares, especially in Nigeria and other parts of the country. So if you have opened your Every Investor like this is what you are going to do. Go to, yes, to click invest. You click invest, you come to, it's going to give you the list of security and shares that is available on the app. So, and we want to buy shares, so you have to click on Nigerian stock, as seen above is the number one. When you click on that, it's going to show you the list of shares presently on Every Investor. On Every Investor, we have nearly 275, to be precise, 275 different shares. I'm going to show you how you can buy your first share and how you can see if a share is trending currently or is not trending. That is, if the chart worth buying or not to buy. So let us look at the first shares on the list. That is 11 PLC at 208 naira. Let us click and see what is going on the chart. Yes, let us wait for it to load. Yes, there's nothing to show on this. So let us check another one. This is ABBDS. That is a mortgage. Yes, you can see currently the market is what the currently the market is open. As you can see, market open. See that? So for you to know what is the situation of the market must be open. If the market is closed, that means you cannot buy for now. That is, transaction is not currently growing, trading is not currently active. So again, you can see today they put today, and you can see minus 1 naira 15 kobo. That means that share is depreciating. That is why you can see red, and the percentage of loss is 99 minus 9.62 uh, cent, minus 9.62 cent. That means the price fell from 11 naira plus. If I'm not mistaken, that should be 11 naira 95 kobo. Presently today, the price are falling. Yes, that is not where we are going. Actually, we are trying to look at the chart. I've told you in the previous video that when you open your chart and you see this thing, this is chart. And if you still remember the name, this is what? A line chart. Yes, this is a line chart. This thing you are seeing is a line chart. It represents the price. Yes, it's telling you what price is doing. Can you see now? So if you want to, if you want to know what the price have done presently, this is what just happened. You can see from here, from this point, price moved to this high, isn't it? You can see that the price, that chart move up, which shows that the price have been increasing in number, and presently you can see the price lie down. That means the price fell. Can you see now? And like you can see again, the price slightly move up again from here, isn't it? The price move slightly up, isn't it? So that is to tell you, at a point in time, price move up, at a point in time, price fell, and at a point in time, price go up. So now you need to know what actually is the price there. Yes, you need to know what is the price level at that point in time. So I will be placing my hand on the screen for you to see a pop-up price. Like here now, look at this level. The price was flat here, isn't it? So if the price is flat there, you need to know what price is. Let us start from this entry. You can see my hand at this point in time, the price was 7 naira 10 kobo. That means there was a time price was 7 naira 10 kobo. When you place your hand, you can see 8 naira 55 kobo. as at 29 of January, 8 naira 25 kobo, and price is currently at 10 naira 80 kobo. It means the price moved from 8 naira till to 10 naira 85 kobo. That is 29 of January. Let us move forward. You can see the price is 11 as at 3 of February. The price is 11 naira 30 kobo. Can you see now? Which means price has been moving from low level to up level, which indicates the price is trending. When a price is trending, it means price is going, isn't it? It will go, it will pause, it will go. That is what I mean by price is trending. Can you see now? So let us check the peak here. You can see that price have even hit 14 naira 95 kobo as at on 6. That means if you purchase this share around 7 naira and the price moved to 14 naira, your investment must have tripled. Let's assume you bought that share with 1 million naira as at 29 of January. You should be in how much now? Less than a month. You should be in 2 million naira if I'm not mistaken. So in short, anybody that purchased this share around January 29 will have make 100 returns by now. Can you see now? But after that 14 naira 95 kobo, you can see the price came down to 13 naira 75 kobo. That means the price is declining again. This is 9th February 2026. The price is 11 naira as at on 12. The price is 11 naira as at on 14. That is how the price has been coming down till yesterday. You can see today the price opened with what? The price closed yesterday with 11 naira 95 kobo. Open again with 11 naira 95 kobo. But presently, the higher of the price is 10 naira 80 kobo. That means the price has fallen. It has made new low from the higher price. From 11 naira 95 kobo of yesterday, the price fell today. That is an indication that price is coming down. This is the percentage loss. And don't forget, this is the 1 year movement from 3 naira 41 kobo. The price have shoot to 16 naira. That means this price have made 16 naira 35 kobo as the highest price within a year. And presently is in 10 naira. Do you get it? It's in 10 naira, which means that the price has been falling from 16 naira plus. Now the price falling to 10 naira, is it a good opportunity for us to buy? That is what a beginner should know, because you make profit when you buy a share from a cheap level. And you can see the price has been falling from since on 6. This price has been falling since on 6, if I'm not mistaken. From 14 naira 95 kobo, the price has been coming down until till what? Till till today the price is still selling. Then is still going to fall further? You don't know. Yes, you wouldn't know. How do you want to know this? Because the price fell today. So if you think as at yesterday that price fell to 11 naira 95 and you buy it and the price now fell to 10 naira plus today, that means you are losing. You must know when to buy it. Yes, if you want to buy this share, you must wait till tomorrow. Can you see now? You must wait till tomorrow. If this price close with this price, if this shares close with this price at 10 naira 80 kobo and tomorrow it move back to 11 naira, that is an opportunity to buy. It means buyers are ready to push the price higher. You know, a share that ended in a loss today at 10 naira 80 kobo and tomorrow it moved to 11 naira. That means it has increased with 20 kobo. It's a good opportunity to buy. But if you say you are buying today because it is 10 naira 80 kobo, why it's not that you cannot buy, but you have to consider that the price that is falling can still fall more. So don't buy at the wrong time. If you want to buy this share, you should be planning to buy tomorrow. It won't be even tomorrow, it will be next tomorrow, because you have to wait for the activities of tomorrow. If price ended with negative like this at 10 naira 80 kobo, tomorrow if it increase, if it appreciate to 11 naira, then next tomorrow you should be able to buy it. That is a signal that the price is now ready to move higher. So now this is how to analyze a trending market. If you are just joining this video, kindly like my video, subscribe to this video. If you have any question regarding analysis of stock charts, feel free to drop your comment. I'm going to attend to it. This is a trending market. Let us go and check another stock that is not trending so that you don't mix things up. You don't just buy share like I used to say. Let us go back and see a share that is not trending. Yes. How will you know a share is not trending? Let us look at one. Yes, let us check this Afro Media. Yes. Yes, this is this is an example of a non-trending share which is not good for investment. This is the chart. You can see it's still the same chart. Look at it. This price is in what? 24 kobo, which shows that from the first point of the arrow to the last arrow, the price remained the same. And if you check from the starting point, that must have been since January. You can see as at January to February, the price remained 24 kobo. So when you now scroll to the information below, you can see the price does not even have any any price movement in the last 1 year. No new price. No, the price remains stagnant. This type of share is telling you don't just buy share because the price is cheap. If a price is cheap and it's not trending, you can see this price doesn't have any market value, no traded value, no anything. Can you see now? So you don't just buy it. It means this price, this shares is having problem. Is it that the company is having problem or they are facing issue with the government? That is why they didn't remove them from the stock, but they are having a pending issue. So this type of chart, it means this market is not trending. It remains stagnant. So you don't put your money there. Don't, some people say, buy a cheap shares so that you can earn. Don't just put your money. When anytime you see a shares like this, it means there's an issue with the company. So you have to leave it. Just put it in your watch list because they might still come back to to life. So this is how it is. So I hope I've clarified a trending chart from non-trending chart. So kindly drop your comment, drop anything you want me to analyze based on the stock. It might be foreign, it might be Nigerian stock. What we are trading is the chart. Just know what the chart is saying. You must know what the price is doing presently before you pull the trigger. So my name is Feruke Abdurazak. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. I'll talk to you soon.